So I didn't get to trade last night. My friend had her birthday celebration, and you know I had to go, so I couldn't come home and trade. However, I'm back on it. Same OTC continued. Now I'm just gonna say this to everybody who watch live traders. Now I realize that these traders will say to you that, hey, 5 minute trading, this is good, and 7 minute trading, that is good. And what they will do is they will do different strategies on their channel. Now, let me tell you this, guys. There is no trader that has 6, 7 strategies. None. I don't care how good you are. Because at the end of the day, you're going to go with the one that works for you. And if it's working, you won't be changing it. So you might be making your videos more exciting, and I don't know if you guys realize, like, sometimes in the videos that when they're trading, like, it skip out certain parts, it skip out, because they will only make videos and show you the wins. You understand? They will show you the wins, and then they will cut out every winning clip and put it together and make one video and make sure transition smoothly. People do that. Now I'm gonna tell you from now, I won't be showing you 10-20 different strategies. I'll be showing you the one that work, probably 2 at most, because I have another one. But yeah, guys, with that said, I'm continuing my OTC. I took 3 trades this morning. I'm 2-1. So just letting you guys know what it is. Now I'll be looking in the market. As I said, I only trade OTC. I don't trade nothing else. But yeah. So let me continue. This looks like a really good one for my 30 seconds, but I wait for it to pull back. As I said, below the 200 EMA, you can see the 10 EMA coming down, the 50 EMA coming down, the Keltner channel is coming down. The stochastic is already down, but I'm trying to see if it could pull back up to here or at least halfway there before I enter for a sell, because this is obviously a downtrend. What would make it magical if the oscillator was right here, but I don't know. Sometimes I get impatient. Sometimes I don't want to wait for the pullbacks, you know. But I'm trying to see if this is a standstill, because this candle closed right here, this candle closed right here, and this candle closed right here. So when you see that happening, it might be a sign of a reversal. If this candle doesn't supersede this one, I'm changing the chart. That's another thing that you look for as well. You gotta pay attention to the candlestick patterns, because really the candles, they tell you a lot of stuff, you know. They tell you a lot, you know. If you look over here, strong uptrend. This candle came back a little bit, moved past, came down a little bit, moved up. This is a strong uptrend. Now if this candle does not pass this one, I know for sure that it ain't ready to move yet. See? Closed right above. It ain't coming down. Alright guys, we're moving on. See? And you can use this to trade reversals, you know, but here's the thing. I don't trade reversals. Especially because I always believe that you must go with the trend. So even though I have this knowledge to say that, hey, 3 candles and it doesn't pass here, it's gonna reverse, I don't trade that. I'm not, when you have a massive account, you can do that, but when it's a small account, you take your time and go for the short trades. Still out here looking for my setups. Another thing I must tell you guys, when it's near the 200 EMA, avoid these trades at all times. Anything about 6 or 7 blocks away from the or before, don't trade it, because when it comes close to the 200 EMA, the market is in such a state of confusion where it's saying, all right, am I gonna turn back or am I gonna continue up? And it will go up, shoot up 2 candles, and then come back down and go below, then shoot up again, and it takes 6, 7, 8, 9, even 10 candles before it decides which way it's going. So when it comes close to the 200 EMA, avoid those trades at all times. Those are not profitable situations. As I said, guys, I'm a very patient trader. So if I don't see my setup, I'm not going to just click. It happened early. You see it right here. I think I like this one. This is a strong uptrend. If it pulls back down to here, I'll take it. If the candle pulls back down, oh, it's gone. Rocket to the moon. See, the reason why I knew that was because if you realize the stochastic oscillator, the blue line is the buying power. You realize that gap between buyers and sellers? Now, remember I was telling you to avoid these situations? Let me give you a prime example. Say I was to enter now. I'm going to leave the cursor there to show you. Say this is my entry. We got 30 seconds. The oscillator is going down. Alright? We lost already. You see what I'm telling you? It becomes so confused. So confused. It doesn't know which way it goes. Like, give it some time, yo, to move away from this 200 EMA. I'm looking at it, but I'm waiting on the next candle. Honestly, that's what I'm waiting on. I wanted to give it at least 2-3 candles before I hop in there, because it will turn back and hit this line and go all the way up. See, this is what I'm telling you. It will do that. This is why I stay away from this area right here. I stay away because look, it give you 3 strong red candles going down, and all of a sudden it turned back. Whoops! You gotta stay away from those candles, bro. Now this looks like a standstill. This looks like it's about to be a reversal, because while we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 candles coming down here and then turning back. This is a strong area of support, so we stay away from this, guys. I'm teaching you as well how I look for trades, you know. You understand? I'm showing you. So I know sometimes the situations are there, but you gotta read the market as well. Let's try Twitter. And guys, even if I go through all of these pairs and I don't see my setup, this looks like a wonderful one, but oh, it sucks. I missed it. There's still a chance, but you see this area of support right here? I'm afraid that it will come down to here and turn back. So what I'll do, I'll enter if it came back up to this 10 EMA right here. And I'm taking my time. Somebody asked me for private lessons, one of my subscribers, and I told them no, because I don't leave out anything out of the videos. You gotta just watch the videos. I don't leave out anything. There's no trick to it. everything that I say and I'm doing right now, I'm trading as how I would actually trade. I'm giving you guys all the sauce. There's nothing missing out of it. I'm telling you why I don't take trades. I'm telling you why I take trades, what to look for when going into a trade. So you can make your own notes out of the videos, because I leave nothing out. I don't need to give you guys private lessons. Oh shoot, we missed it. I said I was waiting on to touch here and we missed it. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I was talking, guys. That was the perfect opportunity right there. It hit it. I didn't even realize because I was talking. But yeah, I don't leave anything out of the videos. I don't come on here and pretend like her. And yes, this is my live account. Like, this is my live account. I told you guys I was gonna do a small live account and build it, show you guys. Wow, look at that. Perfect opportunity missed. If we can get a pull way to the halfway point of this candle, it's a go. But if not, let's hope we get a pull way back up to here. I don't think it's gonna do it though, because the momentum is getting lower and lower. We missed this trade. That's just our way of the market. We gotta look for something else. I might come back to you. I'm tempted. I'm tempted. What is this? This is an uptrend. You got a flag pattern right here. We got a breakout retest on the way up. This is a strong uptrend. Still far away from the 10 EMA. I would take it, but it's way outside the Keltner channel. I don't like taking those trades because you never know when they'll zing back. You never know when those trades will zing back. Visa coming back to that 10 EMA. Alright, let's look for something else. Let's look at currencies. Ooh, what a nice setup. Let's see what it do. As I keep saying, guys, you gotta look. OTC it can make you and it can break you. You understand? You gotta be careful of the situations that you enter. This ain't no game, bro. This is hustling. And you gotta be smart. You gotta look for those situations that you gotta bingo on. See, we've been on here 10 minutes and I haven't taken a trade. Because I'm looking, I'm careful. You know, I gotta be careful. You know, remember, if you win 3 trades, that's already 5% on your account. You don't need a trade. So you gotta look for the best 3 quality trades that you... Ooh, this looks good. Come back down a little bit more. A little bit more. No, it left us. It left us. It left us. And guys, I know you're wondering this. You're saying like this is the second time that you didn't enter at a return point, guys. The reason why I don't enter trades like that, sometimes it go in your favor, but remember, you gotta remember that the candle is going to pull back. And sometimes with OTC, what it will do is it will pull back and hit you out at 1 second. So you miss the trade by a second. So you got to make sure that you get the lowest entry possible for the candle. You get me? Uh, mm, wow, it's really dry out here today. Probably because I'm training in the morning and I don't normally trade in the morning. I wait till the night. Well, this is just a morning session. I just wanted to come on here and see, what really happens in the morning. But guys, sometimes these sessions can go on for hours, 2 hours at the max. Because really and truly, I don't want to make a mistake. I don't want to make a mistake, so I tend to, take my time and just really look for a setup. This one looks good. I'm waiting on the next candle though. This one looks good. It's gonna pull back. Well, let's wait on that next candle. What did I tell you about that pullback? What did I tell you about that pullback? Guys, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. You see, this is a problem for me now. You realize that it opened and closed in that same area. That doesn't indicate that the market is going down. It intends that the market does not know what it's doing. All of these candles opened and closed at the same area. So I can't go in that trade. I gotta move on. I want something strong and trendy. Alright, so I took that one for I would say I wouldn't say it's a good trade, but it's an okay trade. Because what happened is that I realized that the market was flirting in that area. But see, it turned on us. So we lost that one. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the session soon because I'm not seeing anything that I like. I'm gonna do 2 entries with this one and then I'm gonna end the session. Waiting for that pullback. Waiting for that pullback. It's coming down. It is coming down. Well, let's try to get it up here. I'm waiting on the next candle. As I said, guys, I don't like how it opened and it closed in this area. You see? It opens and closed. If it closed below this area, we can say that it's going down. Look like it's going to close below the area. It's all about mentality. These markets play with you, yo. They play with you because how many good trades I've called out and I have not taken, and the one that I took, I lost. It's all about mentality, bro. This one is pushing too hard. It's gonna back up. I double entered there. Alright guys, I lost 3 trades, so that's gonna be it for me. That's 3, so that's gonna be it for me. Wasn't a good session. It's 3 in a row. That means I stopped. I mean, I won one, but you know, still that's still not it for me. So that means I'm stopped trading for now. Have a nice day, guys. Hope you enjoy the session.